Hi, firsties. Good morning and happy Tuesday. I hope you had a wonderful weekend. You had an extra day off yesterday with Memorial Day. I hope you had a ton of fun and that you got to be with your families, maybe play outside. I just hope you had a wonderful weekend. Miss Field is here to share our message of the day. I'm also going to share your to-dos for today, and we're going to start something new today to recognize friends that have summer birthdays. We don't get to celebrate them in our classroom or during distance learning because they have summer birthdays. So we are going to recognize a few friends that have summer birthdays to make them feel special. So before Miss Field reads her message this morning, I'm going to give you all a big virtual hug as our greeting. Oh, big squeezes. I miss you so much. Oh, I can't believe we've been away from each other this long, but just know Miss Field is so proud of you. Keep it up. You're doing amazing work. All right, just as always, you can read the message with me. Good morning, firsties. Today is Tuesday, May 26th, 2020. I hope you had a fun, long weekend. What is something that you did? You can share in the comments below. I planted flowers and spent time outside when it wasn't raining. Today, you will learn a new phonics pattern called soft G that says the J sound. So G normally says G, but our words this week they're going to have the J sound. And soft C, so instead of saying K, soft C actually says the S sound, like in the words scent, gem, ace, age, face, and huge. So it's kind of silly this week, but I can't wait for you to do your activities with soft G and soft C. You will also write in your memory books for letters O and P. Make it a great day, try your best, and as always, yes, be kind. Enjoy the sunshine. Enjoy your learning. Play, learn. Have a great day. Love, Miss Field. All right. Miss Field has your to-dos for today, and it looks like a lot, but there's a lot of really fun activities today. All right, you have 2 jobs for literacy this morning on Seesaw, and one of them is called This Year Was Incredible. I want you to make sure that you listen to the instructions to make sure that you know everything you need to do, and this activity today you can post to our blog if you would like to share with your friends. You also have a summer word search. You have a soft G or soft C activity today. For math, you have a few jobs. You'll do your Unit 9 test, and then there's a couple little quick things for Miss Field to check on your counting by twos and an activity called Lots of Ladybugs. In your memory book, you're going to write for letters O and P, and you have a new riddle of the day. All right. Miss Field would like to help celebrate all the friends who have summer birthdays. So it's kind of like when we do Star Student of the Week, but each day Miss Field is going to highlight the summer months, June, July, and August, and who celebrates their birthday during that month. So for June, which actually starts next week, we have Miss Field, whose birthday is on Monday, June 1st, and Alex's birthday is on June 19th. Should we sing pretty quick? Here we go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Miss Field and Alex. Happy birthday to you. Oh, I love it. I hope, Alex, that you have a wonderful birthday. Miss Field sure does love having a summer birthday in the warm sunshine. So tomorrow, Miss Field will highlight some July birthdays that are friends in our classroom. So I hope you have a wonderful day of learning and playing, and make it a great day. I will see you later. Goodbye, friends.